Hi guys, we're at Brockenhurst Station Level Crossing in Hampshire with Spike, Joe and South Coast Level Crossings. Oh and guys, just to show you, there is the hidden alarm. So this crossing's got two alarms, one there.
There's your alarm right there.
And one over there. I apologise for the wind, by the way, guys.
It's alright.
But hey ho.
Time is 12:14 on Saturday, the 26th of March 2016. This is for hour 12:17, 1:21, Southwest train service from Southampton Central to Weymouth.
Joe, did I pack my watch?
Hey?
Did I pack my watch on my bag? I think I did.
Well, I hope you did.
Yeah, I hope it is.
I didn't see it on the day on the hotel counter.
Okay.
Going over. You going over here? All right.
Here she is.
Here she is. We've got 44424.
Where's that going to?
Southampton, Weymouth. And
They give a bit of heat.
I know. Up they go.
Up they go. Thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.